Here we go. I have another gym day. I always start off with a little bit of a warm up. Today I did box jumps for my leg day warm up, and they were really killing me. I think I did about 30 of these before I gave up and wanted to just go home right then and there. But I did not go home. And then here is another angle of me doing some more box jumps, and I was definitely dead at that point. And then over here I have a kettlebell swing. Make sure that you really squeeze your glutes and your quads. And then I tried to do this with a kettlebell and I completely failed at first, but I usually use a dumbbell and squeeze it in the back of my knee, but that's been starting to hurt me a little bit more. So I just kind of powered through my donkey kicks here. And then I saw someone on TikTok kind of do this exercise. I'm probably completely doing it wrong, but once again, I made sure to kind of go forward a little bit and squeeze my quads and my glutes, try and get those activated a little bit. But it felt like I did something. And then here's me just like doing a little dance as I'm putting away my equipment. Next, I went to I think this is called the squat press rack or something press. I don't really know. First, I do a wide stance, and I do this with 180 pounds. And this is me just doing it a little bit faster. This is not how fast I was going. That was sped up. And then I got tired, so I took a little bit of break. And then I put my feet in kind of a V to try and do more of a hamstring kind of muscle right there. And I really like it when I switch between the normal wide stance and then also switch back to the V. And then I did some deadlifts. I think this was me PRing. I think that's like 185 pounds. I think that's my PR, and I was kind of proud of myself. And then I went over to this machine. I really like doing some leg stuff on here. It gets your quads, and then it also gets your abductor and your adductor. And then I also tried to do some donkey kicks on here, realized that it was not enough weight for my donkey kicks, then realized I really hated the position of this stupid little handle thing, so I switched that up a little bit to see if I could get some donkey kicks in here somehow. So I did a bunch of those eventually. And then I repeated on the other leg, and I think I did 4 sets of 15 for each one of those exercises. And then I went over to this machine. I don't even know what this is called, but it does something, and it really burns me, not gonna lie. And then I always go over to I think this is the adductor, but it could be the abductor. I don't really know. And then I realized that was way too light. I think I was doing like 70, so I switched it up to like 110. And you really want to make sure that you're squeezing your inner thighs. That was still a little easy. And then I always end my workouts with cardio. I always end with at least 30 minutes of cardio. And that's it.